But as it stands now, from Kwame Nkrumah to now, here no more, no be maybe the young leader be as yeah. But we tell now the crowd there, me can be here, but last go 4 times. He did so many wonderful things. Go for 2008, I remember very well. Now they're done yet.
Yes.
If I'm a president, me take bold decisions be and know the better moment developing. Tell me, you talk about me say 4 years, I have made it 4 years. The may help be on top of my view because me did you be also. I will make sure say with this 4 years no. May idea Ghana be giving you a beer because I don't see why I say when we are penny word jumum. Now would ye na a man for a more in our baby will be tianote. Me, I can't take that. Mean to me.
Really?
No, I can't. Hey, that you help me. Me call do me see on my because I know could no.
Yeah.
There are things be a me, I'm over who and that's hey, I don't know better. Me say no, I'm a leader here, that's my duty. Because I say first no me say afeso a MC for any party also omonko for ba no be chada na no mba o de snap me ni bia ba no de bia malt bia we ni be me no ba no pe envelope to bi de aka ho no de amomo omo bia nti ye pe okay ati ba be ya amomo de me code me so ya no omo de me so May 1st May 2023 the from May now to December na ade amaye okuru mu no ye di bro nya wie wura new year mu no aban payim for no ba ho I was there omo ba ya pe na omo so da kasenti Brunya so nti baby di mu Brunya na omo de envelope buy him 5,000 e wo mese den I'm the 5,000 8,000 year fee na omo de malt we no cat no 2 and omo de pan 2 e snap 2 ka ho na omo de buy ndo mu wi no bi say nti no is there anything na omo hia omo ko ka kira ban no hene so no yen koso hene no he's doing almost everything to we don't think that we need anything from the government me catch omo tetu say yan as omo hwe omo nim na omo nya no so no ko e because me a president or mine is sikawum I'll make sure say ye dey develop kuro no I mean the kuro be developer okay oko ba bia now you politician now man for complaining about something people don't complain about sike any omobotom ye pensu ye pe kwan ye pe hospital ye pe way development kase ni nyina gina infrastructure so ndu trust kase ye the tour no what develop kuro no nti obi on ti hai no oba ha enye sika won krofo to no hwehwe o ade a obehu nani so oba ye no yakwa ni na kama oba ye light gina so oba ye no mfuturo ni kurom oba ye de cast ni nice no en na nipa ne kwa okoka che ko say mun kokuru nkoya ade na sika go obi aboto mu ma na obi adidi metwe na kurom ye fia nobody will come here do ya ban yes a good say obekuti sika I mean sika sa manfo benya sika but first focus on it should be development adan sisi adan ya kwan yie sa no ma no and the money is here you should be able to do that my more example say e fie wo kuro we mu no e sika
say dey be how
e fie wo kuro we mu no e sika nti kuro ma ye fi na o say ehia wa jimi now I'm sorry using this word so kuro ma ye fi na o say adwuma ni kuro we jimi for because the thing say fina wo kuro mu no eye nipa na ye de omo sesa se nipa na sesa fina tuaneka amanfo no mo ye fie no let them pay money to pay for the workers then aveye obi a o use like when fie bia prepaid wo no manipa no sa others bi na ono ade ne bola nyina begum okay kona tene das bi no to ni prepaid meter na bo ho no auto lighter automatically no what tia for ne dasbin the nyafe na boso me so ya se o betue wai auto light nkwa na wotua
but nana as we are okay fine suggestion but do you know our leaders say sikana awoka say ebia auto light I betie from ne dia pidge dasbin say sikana omru ko ya
they make sure and say that's I'm talking about leadership because penny no ho no ye leader no say ordinary system say these things me mo bia misbehave who can do that
just like and their peer could be they put them horo galamsey
ba only one is here aba say anything about leadership did the men can say me I believe in something nipa bi obewu no matter what we are Diana or time beso am why then Buhari was a why no the thing
Buhari
akwa ade why Nigeria for say ye demonstration no me atitu agugo ye kum ko oyen owu ye yande say abo abi kraman bi ni. What I'm trying to say is say oye ni abewu unya position a judin keke nako
unya position a
judin keke nako enu anu no just yade a unni ho a obi abebo wudin nipa wudin pe na beka adan a yesisi ye yo ho wo de hwade se osi dan ma oma mebo a ti wani abre den a obeto si fie ma oma bizaze wonu anam no momu ahe enetem mo papa no fie obo se o papa fie bi osi ye no bi ante ho obi efe ndi asi nde wo dan a wadwen se wusi a eboso no o ma benyi no dan no na asai o mo mpe they will build their own nde yese obeya jabade ama de ba hwese obeya ade be ma dim papa akawachi oh papa we you are president no on a years Kwame Nkrumah wu how many years ni
so many years
but still na your body di Kwame Nkrumah na ye moto we on na ye we ya ade a wudin ebeka ho opa manipa nya sika ngu ni botom endi ma ade enche obi anka obiem. I'm telling you nti ze we panyi wo fie wo ma na ohan obi dan na da bia wo de so kyen try na waduan na wudin da bia no chemu mienu de mu ba ko na save sika ni bi na wa si wo fie a obetim ni ba bi ni wo ti ato ne wo yere no wabusua because aduane wudin ni ne o chena unyaja ona wi na o yere kofi so didi nura. So if you are giving people money to chop, trust me say we a waste of time. Ya de ebeka ho development very important. The aban no person or ya obetimi because other places that people are doing like I'm saying, you know, and yes so abofo and the free soro e ba beye. Oko kata omo say omo oil baby yes omo oil nko no mo. Gana your oil ni bi. Say yes here to 2 normal year and you gold nko ade gold be ye oil ntimi nye. And in thing na say you hear good leaders. Omunye selfish. Okay, because me do must maybe I see a police station. Sa land na me am atodi atodi da e okwa ho pe am so in the future no. Me might say me nyi na me older. I would like to go and stay in the village. That's what I want to do because baby me for nature. Wow. Until land e okwa ho baby a obeti go store home na man for hen a so be di kakra. That's my plan. Wow. By baby a hen the man me say yensi police station no. Na a dance where old house.
All right.
Almost be atwam na ye ahemfie but I old house I say obi an sheda nti but still be wo animu. But today na say abusuafo no ebinom se no mo mpene na yi. Nti no hen dey say no say yusu. Na say nana time me pentemo me ni times ah. Say afi na ye ni abusuan betena say ye be pene ye mpene. Me Holland bi okwan ho me am yusu ma de. De wona apɛ na me land no wa akiri. Na no bi de we animu. To me ka chen say we. Me pese wo de Holland ne ma me. Fa me de no na me fancy police station me se makuru no nya me de a ba ya me land na me de makuru wo de ne de wo fa me de no wo ko akwa say me see 2 bedroom nice house for him.
Wow,
very nice beautiful modern house for him even though land no nya say me to fi no me ne swap me de kwa na so say ne de no. So I am doing it for the people because me feel say we a leader people should benefit from you. I am a land out ahemfo ahen on one land o ka say odisi adachekuru
onye
because it is me nim nyanza. I'm already into real estate. Meaning how much a dime cost. Until for land now was it me de chokuro ni keke. Yes, I mean that me ame pesika asiensi adie zama kuro. I think of the people. Actually, I need container mantamu a amount for container because we container na nipa na block kwan. O see free o. O you know say one ma baby anfancy a nipa na bube food there wo ye no ya makuro ndi o. O see me say kuro ni ye fe na amount for bom. You should not be doing this. Na amanfo ekuruma no omomere de amanfo mfira bonte mese dumase ekuru no mantamu di de ho efe ba amanfo mo containers wo nyina no wo yigu abra wo fancy ba bia mo a the people will not be happy with you. So we have to find an alternative for be yi o mo container nyina no e de akoho de ba bia dumase bucket ne wo na land bi da ho a ya sorofo bi dia me ko na ahemfo no ka se sa land no e ben school do e ben market de o mo mpere mo nya asore no wo nti o maka ke o mo se o mo mfa land ne ma asorofo no even though you're more the anti omokomo bi obayi fufuro nti me peland na me meje am say na me mpese obi beka say me nkoso hene na me ba bedi no
o de me press
asase bi ntia nti me mpe o masase bi ase me am pese me si dan a me wo land am to da baby me ameti makosi wo ho nti akire ya ya sha ase ya yi container na free mentemu no that's when I saw says I land no more can I will need it hwe me ya me ko asore fo no ho na me say na nanom say mo land we no ya mpene ma mo nya asore wo so because our market and a school asuni nti man hwe ya mo land nya dem betimi asida ba me ame wo land bi wo ha haneda the krump meti ne mo aso aposa land no wow na me mfa me de ne mamo na mo de na ewo market ni opposite da ohene so on pene ma munsi ayi no eno me ye me dia na ba be ye me dia what I would do ni say container na yi okuru ni nyina na enye ba bi mfa nkosisi no ye very nyina nkosisi sa land no so na amanfo and the period na ye yi omo containers no na everyday bia no bia ye tu container everyday bia ma 100 Ghana cedis wow yes
na that's kind of free
no and the first kind of to chain adwin papa na touch me hear me
no adwin papa you but it is not easy financially
very difficult but me person me who say if you want to do something good you should be able to do it okay sikan there ye be kan wase machiri edenti obi bia ye tu no container ye nya nwie ma wo no every day no okọ office ho a na ya ma ko 100 Ghana because if there was turn bi ko ton ade o man fa so be nya na dey enuru 100 Ghana no but ye see ye tu container no ya ma ba bia ma won fa ensi even though ye develop kro ni de na ye ma wo ho a kire ya nkasa ye tu container no ye be ma capital ko tu bibia afiri so ye kokuru ede akosi ya ase ni bibia kama de amount aboso foforo na ye de amount sa na ye obi a de like that sa na ye obi a de who your leader you don't think of what you gain but what you can do for the people so we've done all this okokroma sa machines am toye de etwa blocks ne sa pavement ye kromu nyina no me ana me toye me mfantwa blog ba ko sei emfa ma me ho
wow
say me twa one blog say yes me see dan bi okronum
wow
me say up to now am no ka say me need dan e woduma so ya SOMPA FM na ye krom no kra na sama ye pavement no me papa fie ni a na me offer so fie to aso manye ho sa ko bim say na anu ya na me ye na me say na wan ka sa wo fa fie ho na me kwa ho na mte metete wasa anzama ko huta koda ade na wonye na mse adwuma na ye no ye nya na busunya nti o e duma su yakura adwuma na ye nti no me wofa de ka ne na gaza kwa no kra no obeso ye na wofa fie ka ne nti na oye de oye no ye baabia wi ansa na me wofa ho kwan no me ko hyehyɛ so I told my uncle on na ye duma su nkoso fan on na ye chairman me so fa adwuma fo mpa fo bebre omu nyina de me nye obi ade me baba ye wo de ayese me wo fa no nti na me ye nti I'm not doing it until say be wi as baba ya
wo fa na anye de o
obepe onim se sana msuban tie se ade ne yesi ye ya yenye de yi se na me ka lady before say ade papa na onim yansa na ade oni busu ani sika o tugu sa na no mfanye real estate be na nka onyi sika da ache ne ma I'm say no I'm not that kind of person I believe say yes ajapade o ye ma busu ye na uye leader you should be selfless. Now, when you say position, no, it is not meant for your own enjoyment, but a responsibility be a wo ye dem abusuya for. And it is I mean yanko ba me ko omo ye program me ko bono. Ombe no from 1st August.
Omo afidi omo ye no osuyan.
Omo ye o Odumase.
Oh, Odumase, okay.
And 1st August to 9th August. The yame about the last day, no, I have to be there. Okay? Nti kuro no anyame dia me ka me de hene kura na me maame papa. No your hene was suma henkuru nti suma hona nka me di hene okay nti duma se me papa de free ho na but yeah free akoma mu ne yeah me se me need dan okuru num I am saying no because say be me nim yan say nka nyame ayi wado na nka wanya sika no nka me koye kura nka land makọ jeland ke sebo kwan ho makọ yedia metimi asi dai kama de so but I feel so duma se nko so hene ne dan na afi no anim nyam chede but sika no ye betimi di ayama nipa dodo na benefit the empaying for amount de so no and just party we ba so be yes wona wo ye leader now no make sure say you become selfless sika se kwa amount for ho no man nkonkro for ho empuntu ese wo ye no do that because a dancer bua na ubewu aja bibia ho akọ ade ba akọ pe na obeja ye odin pe na obeja ho akọ nti se wo nti na amanfo benefit yes say the way Ghana emfutuo afa ba bia yi na wo ya aban na abas na wunti Ghana kwan nyina ya udin baba Ghana hada ye train adwuma watimi aya to the point even metro kra ba mu a people will always call your name timi there I believe say leadership is a problem ya wo Ghana they nya good leaders no mo adwen papa no am say meet my man here the same way I call the Middle East the Gulf state ho na nkofo atimi abo makuna kama no yenso ye betimi aye bi but we have to become selfless na ye hu say ye man panyindi a ese say wo som nkrofo anya amanfo ene somo
nana piao nana Monica sa nana wakasa na do echiri and sisi no kasa okan na it boils down to leadership when them say tiefo a wo mutie yen woni a ehwen so nyina ebeka say nana de waka no eto asumo ba nana ma me bi so your leaders ya yenya from Kwame Nkrumah penso be do sisi no anye biaro were they leaders with that kind of niche.
If I mean my to Kwame Nkrumah but wo hwe no papa ne be ye ya because Kwame Nkrumah saso pa no menjindum se yenya bi sisi ya na mama aba the second time I hope say obeye normal enye say normal the same story no obi ba ye kwan ye we na ma obeye monumental normal bi a ebe se sagana ye hyebre prekope but as it stands now from Kwame Nkrumah ya meto no now hwe normal no be ya me bi say yenya ne leader bi asa yeah ba ku etwam na no de kra de kun me can be here but last for time he did so many wonderful things for 2008 I remember very well now they I'm busy to say with you hey this will be on kind of credit no because hey will be kind of good say especially the last 4 years mama be your only 4 years you have every chance to prove people wrong on say me call do me see my men come na work question me dey ntia me koye dem ye no say me obi am social media pa dem bia me kasa and the social issue a ye nyina ka bi empanyi for no mo homode nti amanfo was saying be so chiama yanwe ho munyina za na mote unya position at the same thing you will do nti me ye bo me nkoso hen dem ka me say me I will prove people wrong. Wow. Say no, oh I told myself that me I will prove people wrong. Say no bia na o man mpanyindi a na funtia and then within 1 year no my people go there and everybody is so shocked. Say hey how is it possible na me what for me catch it offer e din ga me so fa say you dia flowers o ba bia na you dia grass o ba bia I say no e be ni timi aye na me say e betimi aye okodu ba yansu nto ho omudua awia kete na me so fa yenko ye fefere boys ye de ko for pickers me kura bi na ha se ni tutu e hodin den dey say anana ha you dua grass me say e be yi ene ko he okoba bia ye green no ya na e dua ye di a kire me say kura yi mfutu omudo do ofa me kuba bia pavement o say na 7 na ka me say ye be ye abo na Sunday about 3 p.m. Ana me so mpa say frɛ caterpillar guy no mra o say na dey say frɛ no the one of na me say we brase see am be say over level one street my na ye pavement wa ha.
Wow.
Be kan any be say 30 minutes or buy no chassis no be levels one street no to go to me say be ya the backgrounds no was that street that day na or level ni nyina kwa na me say we pavement dey twagu ho no mo nso ni nyina megu o kyena ye hye kwa ni nyina hey if you na be me one whole street ya hye ni nyina pavement me say mo ya de no be traffic do ade for them say yes nimdie no ade wo hu abonte no betimi aye bi obetimi aye. So the point is say our leaders should understand say we a leader. It's not about card do na betina munu ene jebebe no. Don't forget say among for na who lead you omo no. Omo is omo benefit more esen wo. So we a selfless leader, you will be able to manage things that udin beka. Say no my wo do me so ya me say before me wu no. Me nyam wi say betam nyansan.
Na want to
before me say me manjiga say bia kuro no bia me nko bi na me say me guso me ye nkoso hene na before I would die no me din beka ho ama centuries to come no people will still be calling my name.
It is true
because yet you say ya ma me position no I will be able to do it my ye men yes will be madam asentia but me say dey me ye no for years to come people will still be calling my name. They say me makra china bi obi ka say me papa ne na ye bi afọ jana say hey my way papa way that's it enu ape cars dey about to be you see be am obusu ye but we a leader make sure say we impact no is felt positively among for feeling we present say akwa we buy ye the why ye ne de ye hu bi da enye say na kokwasa na time not na kwa I think say a waste of time where we see time where we see other people's time. I don't believe in that.